Hamjambo! Hello! Welcome to today's lesson. This is Naomi. How is everyone? Is everyone fine? Are you fine? How is your week or day or your night? So, I hope everyone is doing fine. So, today we're going to learn how to make negative past tense. Previously, we learned how to make negative present tense. So, today we want to learn how to make negative past tense. Okay? Okay. So, before we go on, kindly don't forget to subscribe. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. Kindly don't forget to push that notification button so that you don't miss any class. And kindly watch until the end and ask questions and comment so that we can interact together. I'll appreciate that so much. Now, let's learn how to make negative past tense. So, we learned that when you want to make a negative tense, you have to say, if you are referring to I, you have to say si. When you're referring to we, you have to say hatu. When referring to he or she, you have to say ha. When referring to they, you have to say hawa. Hawa. And when referring to you, meaning singular, you have to say who. Who. And when referring to you in plural, you have to say ham. Ham. Okay? So I think you remember that. Okay. So when you're giving negative past tense, we say that nilienda shuleni. Nili. Li makes it past tense, positive past tense. So nilienda shuleni, I went to school. Nilienda shuleni. So when you want to say I didn't go to school, I didn't go to school, you will say siku enda shuleni. Siku enda shuleni. Siku enda shuleni. So li changes to ku. Li changes to ku, and of course ni changes to si. So nilienda shuleni. Sikuenda shuleni. Sikuenda shuleni. I didn't go to school. Nilienda shuleni. I went to school. Sikuenda shuleni. I didn't go to school. Sikuenda shuleni. I didn't go to school. Tulienda shuleni. Tulienda shuleni. We went to school. Tulienda shuleni. Hatukuenda shuleni. Hatukuenda shuleni. Hatukuenda shuleni. We didn't go to school. We didn't go to school. Hatukuenda shuleni. Ulienda shuleni. Ulienda shuleni. You went to school. Ulienda shuleni. Hukuenda shuleni. Hukuenda shuleni. Hukuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Ulienda shuleni. You went to school. Hukuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Hukuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Ulienda shuleni. Hukuenda shuleni. Ulienda shuleni. Hukuenda shuleni. Mlienda shuleni. Mlienda shuleni. You went to school. Mlienda shuleni. Mlienda shuleni. You went to school. Hamkuenda shuleni. Hamkuenda shuleni. Hamkuenda shuleni. Mlienda shuleni. You went to school. Hamkuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Hamkuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Hamkuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Mlienda shuleni. You went to school. Hamkuenda shuleni. You didn't go to school. Alienda shuleni. Alienda shuleni. Alienda shuleni. Hakuenda shuleni. Hakuenda shuleni. Hakuenda shuleni. Hakuenda shuleni. He or she did not go to school. Alienda shuleni. He or she went to school. Hakuenda shuleni. He or she did not go to school. Hakuenda shuleni. Hakuenda shuleni. He didn't go to school. She didn't go to school. Hakuenda shuleni. Alienda shuleni. Hakuenda shuleni. Walienda shuleni. Walienda shuleni. They went to school. Walienda shuleni. Walienda shuleni. They went to school. Hawakuenda shuleni. Hawakuenda shuleni. They didn't go to school. Hawakuenda shuleni. They didn't go to school. Walienda shuleni. They went to school. Hawakuenda shuleni. Hawakuenda shuleni. They didn't go to school. They didn't go to school. So li changes to ku. Li changes to ku. Walienda shuleni. Hawakuenda shuleni. Okay? You can also say mwalimu alifundisha. Mwalimu alifundisha. Mwalimu alifundisha. Mwalimu hakufundisha. Mwalimu hakufundisha. Mwalimu alifundisha. The teacher taught. The teacher taught. Mwalimu alifundisha. The teacher taught. Mwalimu hakufundisha. The teacher did not teach. The teacher did not teach. Mwalimu hakufundisha. The teacher did not teach. Mwalimu hakufundisha. Walimu walifundisha. That is in plural. Walimu walifundisha. The teachers taught. The teachers taught. Walimu walifundisha. Walimu hawakufundisha. Walimu hawakufundisha. The teachers did not teach. The teachers did not teach. Walimu hawakufundisha. Hawakufundisha. Walimu hawakufundisha. Walimu hawakufundisha. The teachers did not teach. The teachers did not teach. The teachers did not teach. Walimu hawakufundisha. So let's give another sentence with the verb kupita. Kupita, which means to pass. Kupita, which means to pass. So I'll say, nilipita mtihani. Nilipita mtihani. I passed the exams. I passed the exam. Nilipita mtihani. Nilipita mtihani. I passed the exam. Then the negative will be sikupita mtihani. Sikupita mtihani. I didn't pass the exam. I didn't pass the exam. Sikupita mtihani. Sikupita mtihani. I didn't pass the exam. Alipita mtihani. Alipita mtihani. Alipita mtihani. She passed the exams. Oh, she passed the exams. Hakupita mtihani. Hakupita mtihani. She didn't pass the exam. She didn't pass the exam. Hakupita mtihani. She didn't pass the exam. Walipita mtihani. Walipita mtihani. Hawakupita mtihani. Hawakupita mtihani. Hawakupita mtihani. They didn't pass the exam. They didn't pass the exam. Hawakupita mtihani. Hawakupita mtihani. Ulipita mtihani. Oh, ulipita mtihani. Ulipita mtihani. Hukupita mtihani. Hukupita mtihani. Hukupita mtihani. Hukupita mtihani. Mlipita mtihani. Mlipita mtihani. Mlipita mtihani. Mlipita mtihani. Hamkupita mtihani. Hamkupita mtihani. Hamkupita mtihani. You didn't pass the exam. You didn't pass the exam. You didn't pass the exam. Tulipita mtihani. Tulipita mtihani. Tulipita mtihani. Hatukupita mtihani. Hatukupita mtihani. Tulipita mtihani. We passed the exams. Woo! We passed the exams. Hatukupita mtihani. Hatukupita mtihani. We didn't pass the exams. Hatukupita mtihani. We didn't pass the exams. Hatukupita mtihani. So let's use another verb. Let's use kuja, to come. Kuja, kuja, kuja hapa, come here. Kuja, kuja, come here. Kuja, to come. Kuja. So I can say nilikuja jana. I came yesterday. Nilikuja jana. Oh, nilikuja jana. Nilikuja jana. Nilikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. I didn't come yesterday. I didn't come yesterday. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Nilikuwa nimechoka. I was tired. I couldn't come. Nilikuwa nimechoka, singeweza kuja. I was so tired. I couldn't come. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Tulikuja jana. Tulikuja jana. We came yesterday. Tulikuja jana. Tulikuja jana. We came yesterday. Hatukuja jana. No. We came the day before yesterday. It was not yesterday. Hatukuja jana. Tulikuja juzi. Hatukuja jana. Tulikuja juzi. We didn't come yesterday. We came the day before yesterday. Ulikuja jana. Ulikuja jana. Ulikuja jana. Did you come yesterday? Ulikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. I didn't come yesterday. Sikuja jana. Sikuja jana. Hukuja jana. Hukuja jana. Sikukuona. I didn't see you. You didn't come yesterday. Hukuja jana. Hukuja jana. Hukuja jana. I didn't see you. Sikukuona. Hukuja jana. Hukuja jana. I didn't see you. Sikukuona. So, hukuja jana. You didn't come yesterday. Walisema walikuja jana. Walisema walikuja jana. Walisema walikuja jana. They said they came yesterday. They said they came yesterday. But I didn't see them. I didn't see them. So, hawakuja jana. Hawakuja jana. Hawakuja jana. Hawakuja jana. They didn't come yesterday. Hawakuja jana. Hawakuja jana. Niliambiwa mlikuja jana asubuhi. Niliambiwa mlikuja jana asubuhi. I was told you came yesterday in the morning. Niliambiwa mlikuja jana asubuhi. La hasha. Hatukuja jana asubuhi. La hasha. La hasha. Hatukuja jana asubuhi. We didn't come yesterday morning. No, we didn't come yesterday morning. Kwa nini hukuja jana? Kwa nini hukuja jana? Kwa nini hukuja jana? Why didn't you come yesterday? I waited for you the whole day. Kwa nini hukuja jana? Why didn't you come yesterday? Kwa nini hukuja jana? Kwa nini hawakuja jana? Kwa nini hawakuja jana? They were supposed to come yesterday. Walitakiwa kuja jana. But they didn't come. Kwa nini hawakuja jana? Why didn't they come yesterday? Kwa nini hawakuja jana? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to tackle negative tenses. So we will tackle the negative future tense and negative past participle tense. So be ready. So don't go away. Don't forget to watch. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again in our next class. So stay healthy and be happy, and God bless you. Kwaheri.